Patience. A simple word, a difficult practice. In the garden of relationships, patience is the sunlight and the water. It nourishes the seeds of love and allows them to grow into something strong and beautiful. Without patience, even the most promising relationships wither. Frustration takes root, anger blossoms, resentment bears bitter fruit. But with patience, miracles can occur. Walls of misunderstanding crumble. Bridges of empathy are built. Love, once fragile, grows resilient. I can't do this anymore, Mama. Tears streamed down Ilara's face. He doesn't love me anymore. He doesn't even see me. Ilara's mother, Sophia, listened patiently. Sophia knew the challenges of marriage. She had weathered her own storms. "Tell me, my love," she said softly. "What makes you say that?" Ilara poured out her heart. David, her husband of 5 years, seemed distant and indifferent. He worked long hours. When he was home, he was lost in his thoughts. "He never tells me I'm beautiful anymore," Ilara sobbed. "He never asks about my day. I feel so alone." Sophia listened without interruption. When Ilara finished, Sophia spoke, her voice calm and steady. "Divorce is a serious step, Ilara. Have you tried to understand what might be happening in David's heart?" Ilara frowned. "What do you mean? He's the one who's changed." "Perhaps," Sophia said gently. "But sometimes when people seem distant, they are carrying heavy burdens. Instead of turning away, what if you tried to get closer?" Sophia shared a story about her own marriage, a time when she felt ignored and unloved. It was only through patience and understanding that she discovered her husband was battling his own demons. "Try showing him more love," Sophia advised, "not because he deserves it, but because you deserve to be the woman who loves without limits." Ilara, though skeptical, decided to follow her mother's advice. She began small. She made sure David's favorite meals were waiting for him when he came home. She offered him back rubs without being asked. She started asking about his day and truly listening to his answers. At first, David seemed surprised by Ilara's change in behavior. He remained distant, but Ilara persisted. Slowly, like the sun melting winter ice, David began to thaw. He started opening up to Ilara, sharing his worries and dreams. He began noticing her again, complimenting her and expressing his love. The love that Ilara thought was lost was rekindled, stronger and brighter than before. She learned that patience wasn't passive surrender, but active love, and that sometimes the greatest transformations occur when we focus on changing ourselves, not others.